One more sound in Portuguese. The sound for the letter X. X. The X can sound like sh, sh, like in she, like in x, like in x, not x, no, like example, but in x, x. I'll show you examples of this, and also Z. Okay, and if this were not enough, we still have the S, sound of S. But what I would like to highlight right now is the sound of X in words like Xuxa. Xuxa. Xuxa is the name of a TV presenter that is very famous, and for many years she was on TV every morning all over the country, and also influenced kids in the neighboring areas, and also many people, many of our kids in Colombia, Venezuela, Peru, Paraguay, Argentina learned Portuguese by listening to Xuxa's morning program, which was called Show da Xuxa. Xuxa's show. Show like in English, and Xuxa. Okay? Just a quick reminder.